Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I want to show you how to make breaded panko turkey breast cutlet. Okay, so let's shorten that. Panko turkey cutlet. How about that, huh? Okay, so this is some fresh turkey breast that I had cut off in a previous setting. You can go back and check on that, how to cut the turkey breast off the bone. Okay, and so we're gonna season it, and then we'll put the same seasoning in the egg wash, and then the same seasoning in the panko mix, and we're gonna cook it in the air fryer oven. Okay, all right, let me adjust the camera. We're gonna get started, shall we? Thanks. Okay, so let's get started on our panko turkey cutlet. All right, so we're gonna season it up. You can use any seasoning you like. Okay, seasonings doesn't matter, it's up to you. I'm using Larry's. I like Larry's, you know that. And some garlic. And we're going to do both sides, okay? Because we want this heavily seasoned this time. And some black pepper. Okay, I'm going to turn that over and do the other side. Okay, so now we're gonna make our egg wash. We'll set this aside. As you can see, we're all seasoned up now, okay? Alright, let's set that aside. Now we're gonna make our egg wash. Our egg wash is egg and water or egg and milk. I'm gonna do egg and milk, okay? Two eggs. You don't have the 3 chicken cutlets, you can use 1. Let's mix that up. Okay, now we're going to add our seasoning again. Same seasonings, Larry's, garlic, pepper, and we're going to add some milk. You want to add enough milk like you're making scrambled eggs. Okay, that's all mixed in. Okay, now this is our panko breadcrumbs. Okay, panko breadcrumbs is very crispy, flaky. Okay. So I want to put that on a larger plate. I got this at the dollar store for $1. If I can open it. I'll be right back. Okay, I want to show you how much I put in here. This is maybe, I'd say, a cup, okay? And as you can see, I have a lot left over in the container for $1. So we use maybe, I'd say, what, 25 cents worth? That's pretty good. Season the panko crumbs. Same seasoning. Okay, now we're going to mix this in. Alright, so now you're going to dip the cutlet into the egg wash, both sides, and then into the breadcrumbs. Okay, take your hand and pat it on because you want it all coated nicely, even on the sides. Okay, let me let you get a look at that. See? Okay. So you're going to do the same thing. This is the second piece. Okay, our second piece. And the third piece. Now, of course, if you have more, you could still use the same egg wash to continue on. You will have enough. You might have to add more breadcrumbs, but you won't have to add more egg and milk. Okay, third piece. Alright, let me get rid of this stuff. Okay, now what you'd want to do is, if you have a cooking spray, you can use cooking spray. This is my sprayer. I put olive oil in the spray bottle, and so this is what I'm going to use, okay? So I'm going to take the olive oil and I'm going to spray both sides. And then I'm going to put it in. Spraying both sides. Put that one in. And this is the last one. Spraying both sides. Put that in. So I know you're asking, well, why are you spraying it? I'm spraying it because if I just put it in just like that, it comes out like a light white color, but I want it not only to be a darker color, but crispy and more crispier. Okay, that's the best way I can put it. Okay. Okay. Now let's cook this on, I want to do 370. Okay, that's 370. And let's go with, start with 10 minutes and we'll see what's happening after that. Okay, so our temperature is at 370 on the left side. And we put it on for 10 minutes. The time is on the right side with the arrows, okay? Alright, and we'll be back. Okay, our 10 minutes have stopped. Let's take a look and see what's going on. Okay, well, it's looking good. We'll see if it's done. I'll take the temp. But you see how brown it is now when you spray it? Okay, it makes a big difference. And probably very crunchy. Yes, very crunchy. Okay, let's take the temperature. Remember, we want poultry 165. So I'm going to go in from the side so I can get the probe all the way in the middle. Okay, we're there. We're at 167. We are there. So that's done. So the turkey, panko turkey cutlet cooked in 10 minutes. The 3 pieces, okay? Alright. So let me plate that up and let you get a view of that, and I'll take a taste. clean this up. Okay, so let's get another picture of the end result. How about that? Isn't that nice? Turkey cutlet. And this is from raw turkey, okay? Raw turkey breast that I cut off the bone. Okay, which you know, I told you can check that in another setting that I did to show you how to cut it off the bone. Okay, so let's take a taste. I dropped that. Alright, and let me try to adjust the camera so you can see me take a taste. Nope. Okay, that's better. Okay, so let me take a taste. Moist and crunchy. Tastes good. Really good. Another way to cook turkey, right? Other than just putting the whole turkey in the oven. Okay? Okay, so there you go. That's another great video for you to have under your belt. And let me see, what is the word of the day? The word of the day is, maybe you're a grandmother like I am, or a grandfather. You know, when you had your children, it was challenging moments because they lived with you and they watched every move you do and they analyze you and everything. So to them, when they seen something that they could criticize you for, they did that, or they may not have said it, but they remembered it, okay? But it's a little different when you have grandkids. Your grandkids, you know, they usually come over to visit, and you can pet them up, take them down to the store, or play with them, and they just love you because, you know, they see you now and then, right? They may even see you weekly, but they're not living with you all the time. So when they see you, it's a great, great visit for you and them. So go ahead, love up on your grandkids, will you? They're going to always be the ones that's going to remember Grandma and Grandpa. Okay? All right, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. If you have not subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button and join us. Join the family, okay? And share this video with someone because someone needs to know what else they can do with turkey. So this is a half of a turkey breast. So I'm going to run the numbers down again. I paid $10 for a whole turkey breast. I cut it in half. So out of the half, I got 6 turkey cutlets. 6. And out of the 6 turkey cutlets, I just cooked 3 here, right? So now, 1 half goes from $10 to $5 because I cut that half in half. So that half I cut in half is $5. And I just cooked 3 pieces out of the 6 that I got out of that $5. So now that takes this down to $2.50. Okay? Oh, come on now. You know you can't beat that, right? $2.50 for some turkey meat and cutlet, and it's all crunchy and delicious. Okay, I paid $1 for the Pranko. I used about 25 cents worth, so now we're up to $2.75, right? Okay, and maybe we use some olive oil that I sprayed on the top. Okay, come on, we're under $3 either way we cut this cake. Great, great deal. Start trying to minimize your meals like that so that you can save, okay? And write and let me know how you saved, okay? All right, Grandma Ray don't play. I love you. Bye-bye.